You have many options for soft lighting kits and supporting accessories in various styles, sizes, and unique features. We've researched and reviewed the best softbox lighting kits for portraits, products, and more.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, StudioFX 2400W Large Softbox Lighting Kit. Best for starting out, StudioFX's 2400-watt Large Softbox Continuous Photo Lighting Kit gives Fovitec's Studio Pro kit a run for its money. The kit has 3 large, 28x 20-inch softbox enclosures, an overhead boom mount, 3 stands, and 11 fluorescent bulbs. It also comes with an underwhelming storage bag. But this kit is the model way to improve your studio shots without spending a fortune. Like the Fovitec kit, the StudioFX kit lets you adjust your stands to 7 feet high. Depending on your needs, you can attach the boom mount to any of the stands, with the boom length ranging from 31 inches to 71 inches. StudioFX's floor-mounted enclosures hold 5 45-watt 5500K compact fluorescent lamps, optimal for shooting daylight photos. You can control each bulb via a switch at the back for the desired configuration. Unlike the straight stands, the boom-mounted softbox holds just 185-watt CFL. And some photographers dislike boom stands with a sole bulb. As with many inexpensive kits, the stands can be slightly flimsy during adjustment and when fully extended. Nonetheless, StudioFX does throw in a counterweight and a sandbag for stability. Overall, number 2. Neewer 700W 24-inch Softbox Lighting Kit. Best budget. The Neewer 700W 24-inch Softbox Lighting Kit is worth a look to improve your studio photography on a budget. The dual light system is affordable and comes in a range of kits with square, rectangular, and octagonal lamp options, and an LED variant. Neewer offers a 3-lamp kit version with an overhead boom, but the square and octagonal lamp kits are the best budget choices. Neewer's octagonal lights, called octoboxes, are well suited for shooting human subjects, while the square lights are suitable for general-purpose photography. Whichever version you choose, you receive a pair of softbox enclosures, 285-watt 5500K CFL bulbs, 2 adjustable stands that span from 44 inches to 88 inches, and a Cordura carry bag. You can angle the included enclosures in almost any direction for precise lighting control. In addition, you can easily swap bulbs with different color temperatures or a flash unit with a sensor via the standard E27 fittings to further adjust your lighting. As a budget option, the quality of materials isn't top of the line. Nevertheless, many photographers claim this Neewer kit is a budget-friendly introductory kit that's reliable and gets the job done. Number 3. MountDog Softbox Lighting Kit 20x28. Best for compact space. The compactness of the MountDog Softbox Lighting Kit doesn't sacrifice quality material. The softbox's light reflector has silver film reflective fabric with a white nylon screen that aids in banishing shadows and softening harsh light. When you're on the go, you'll enjoy the convenience of the kit's one-piece opening to fold, store, and transport easily. The kit has 2 20x 28-inch softboxes, 2 light stand tripods, an adjustable lamp holder, 2 95-watt energy-efficient fluorescent bulbs, and a storage case. Supplying 5500 K of color temperature, the bulbs last 8,000 hours, while providing a unique photographic environment. With standard E27 sockets, you can change the bulbs as you see fit. Neither socket controls brightness, so you have to modify the diffusion level by adjusting the front cover or moving the lights altogether. The lamp holder can be adjusted by 210 degrees, which is well suited for taking pictures at any angle. The light stands can compress to 27 inches or expand to 80 inches. Just as the lamp holder and stands can serve different needs, this lightweight kit works well for shooting portraits, glamour shots, products, and more. But be careful that your light stands don't fall over, as the kit doesn't come with sandbags or weight. Number 4. RaLeno Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. Best for vloggers. RaLeno's Softbox Photography Lighting Kit is ideal for vloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers. Even though it's relatively basic, It offers all the essentials for your home setup. RaLeno includes two 20x28-inch enclosed softboxes, two adjustable light stands spanning between 27 and 80 inches, and two 85-watt CLF bulbs. The kit's heat-resistant nylon reflectors and polyester fiber diffuser panels are standard features in most softbox lighting kits. Despite lacking fancy accessories, this kit is superb for everyday use. Two 5500K lights dispense natural illumination, but remain fixed at that temperature. However, this limitation shouldn't pose a problem when used in your home office or workstation. You can eliminate shadows with the bulb's dual technology without washing out the characteristics and features of your subject. The RaLeno kit also has a 90-inch cord, so reaching your nearest outlet won't be an issue, which helps make the kit easy to set up and use. While the RaLeno can get you started creating digital pictures and videos on a budget, you may want to consider buying a boom arm or a different mount later if you need them for your photography.